Hi there, Connor here with JCB, and today we're going to talk about the basic operations from the platform on the T65. First things first, make sure you've always got your harness on and are tied onto one of the 8 harness points around the basket. So, introducing you to the operator layout. So we'll talk through all of the buttons, all of the switches here, starting from the top left. On the top left, you'll see this power tool. So that is if you have specified a welder ready unit, you will have that option to turn your generator on. The second button that we've got blanked out here is for work lights. The third is to actually start and crank the engine of the T65. Next one over is the hair mode, so that is for high drive speeds when roading this across site. And you'll see today we've got a red LED on there, so that's showing you that we either have an error code or low fuel. Next one down is your horn, and then the joystick itself is to lift your main boom and then to slew left or right. We've got the telescopic boom, outwards and inwards. We've got the jib up and down. We have the basket rotate left and right, and then we have the platform level up and down. Moving over, we have this potentiometer here, so at any time when you get close to buildings or when you are working closely with your colleagues, you can feather the controls through tortoise mode and hare mode throughout the entire range, so we don't just have that one button, we've got this potentiometer as well. Moving upwards, you have the high torque mode for travelling through uneven ground or up hills. Obviously your e-stop, which we need to make sure is pulled towards us during operation, and you'll see that we have this flashing yellow LED, so that's what we call the slew acknowledgement button, and that is to make the operator aware that they are slewed past, rotated through 15 degrees either side of central, and as such your controls may be reversed. So we press and hold that, and then it will turn a solid yellow, as you'll see there, and we can now operate the machine again. On the right hand side, we've got the auxiliary, so if all of our power were to stop, our engine were to die, we can still operate on those 2 12-volt batteries. And then this final right hand joystick is your drive forward, drive backwards, and then the steering functionality on top. All of these operations, you must have your foot on the foot pedal at the bottom. That's just an acknowledgement that there is somebody in the basket. It, avoids any unnecessary or unwanted movements. And that's a wrap on the basic controls of the JCB T65, and we'll see you in the next video.